We have breakfast, we have entrees, we have soups and sandwiches, salads, dressings, sauces, dips, and spreads that are very healthy and enhance those traditional meals that you have. Breads, desserts, drinks and smoothies, and there's even a section on transition recipes. Welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Jim Sharps, and I'd like to thank you for coming back to our IIOM YouTube channel. With the holiday season right around the corner, it's time to talk about staying healthy while still enjoying those delicious eats and treats. So let's get right into today's topic about enjoying this holiday season. We know it can be a challenge, but with the right approach, it's absolutely possible. From mindful eating tips to delicious yet nutritious recipes, we've got you covered. Let's make this holiday season a celebration for both you and for your health. So let's talk about the first things first. First thing is all about balance. Don't deprive yourself. Enjoy those meals, those traditional dishes. But let's remember, it's all about portion control. And I'd like to share with you that your stomach is the size of your hands. So some of us act as if we have big hand syndrome. We might be 5'7", but we're eating like we have the hands of somebody that's 7'5". Or you're 5'10", and your plate is filled up like you have the hands of somebody that's 10'5". So portion control is the key. You don't have to eat everything for the holiday season in just one meal. So remember big hand syndrome and portion control. Another very important thing is, why not spice up your holiday menu with some nutritious yet delicious alternatives? Think of roasted vegetables. Think of a whole host of very interesting, tasty salads, fruit-based desserts. They not only are tasty, but they pack a very nutritious punch. Now we have a recipe book. It's called The Ways to Wellness Natural Recipe Book, and this is by IIOM. And this will make a nice treat for you, and it'll make a great gift for friends, family, and associates. We have breakfast, we have entrees, we have soups and sandwiches, salads, dressings, sauces, dips, and spreads that are very healthy and enhance those traditional meals that you have. Breads, desserts, drinks and smoothies, and there's even a section on transition recipes. So it's a full list of all types of healthy meals, on and on, all the way through all kinds of transitional meals that you can integrate. You can see examples, drinks and smoothies. But let me talk about my favorite and your favorite, desserts. And we have some 7 categories of desserts. We have cookies, we have different pies, pudding-like desserts, we have gelatin desserts, we have candies, we have ice cream, we have no moo ice cream, and we have Elisa's Date Nut Delight. Just a whole host of really exciting and interesting recipes, and we never desert the desserts, okay? So with that, this is something that you might want to consider ordering this for yourself. And as I said, it's a great gift for those, for family, friends, and associates. Another tip, mealtime is an opportunity to savor not just the food, but the company. Practice mindful eating. Take your time and chew thoroughly. A lot of us are gobbling down our foods. Enjoy the meal. Chew at least 30 to 50 times. And that's the way to make sure that not only do you enjoy it, but it also will be an excellent aid for digestion. So savor each bite and pay attention to your body signals. And if for some reason you do overeat, a tip, a strategy is you get a little bit of apple cider vinegar. This one is an apple cider vinegar with Manuka honey, but just plain any kind of apple cider vinegar, and you can take a teaspoon or two, no more than a tablespoon. You can take it straight, or you can add it to a few ounces of warm water, preferably warm water, not cold water. And this will help you to help many of you as an aid for digestion. Okay, the next tip. Don't forget to stay active, whether it's a brisk walk after dinner or a fun dance or a little bit of a dance session or any kind of a moving. And a good tip is if you know you're getting ready for a meal, why don't you take a little short walk in the morning, walk a half a mile, get that energy so that you can burn up calories, and most importantly, even afterwards, have a little bit of fun and eat. Just don't become a couch potato. Move around a little bit. Stand up for a few minutes. Walk around. Anything that you can do to have a little bit of activity. And lastly, a very important tip for avoiding overeating and to curb unnecessary snacking during the holiday season is make sure you're staying well hydrated. That water, not only is water an aid to digestion, but the water and even some herbal teas. Some of the teas I recommend that's particularly helpful in aiding digestion and helping the entire digestive system is peppermint tea is pretty good. Mint tea, ginger tea is a favorite. So find your favorite herbal teas or just plain good natural water. The best water obviously is distilled water, but any kind of purified water, and even if you have to, even tap water, but make sure you're being well hydrated, and that's going to help you to kind of avoid the unnecessary snacking during the holiday season. So let's remember, the holidays are about joy and celebration. With these tips, you can savor the season while maintaining a healthy balance at the same time. So here's to a very happy and healthy holiday season from IIOM. If you enjoyed this, hit the notification bell so you never miss out on another video. Please like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Until next time, have fun, stay healthy, happy holidays. Bye for now, and God bless.